Have you ever felt like you're on the brink of losing something precious? Wondered if there's a way to mend the cracks and rebuild what's broken? Well, you're not alone. In this video, we'll explore the burning question that many of us face: how to fix a broken relationship. Whether it's with a partner, a friend, or a family member, we all encounter rocky roads in our relationships. But fear not, because we're about to dive into some powerful strategies and insights that can help heal, strengthen, and rekindle those important bonds. Before we embark on this journey of repairing relationships, let's first understand why they break. What are the common reasons behind the fractures that can occur between two people who once cared deeply for each other? It could be miscommunication, trust issues, or the pressures of life. But remember, acknowledging the problem is the first step towards finding a solution. One of the most crucial steps in fixing a broken relationship is open and honest communication. Ask yourself, when was the last time you truly talked with your loved one? It's time to put away distractions and devices, sit down face to face, and share your thoughts, feelings, and concerns. Vulnerability can be the key to rebuilding trust and understanding. Trust, once broken, is not easily restored. But it's not impossible. It takes time, effort, and a commitment to change. Whether it's through therapy, setting boundaries, or small acts of consistency, rebuilding trust is essential for a healthier relationship. Holding on to grudges and past mistakes only adds more weight to a broken relationship. To move forward, forgiveness is paramount. It's not about forgetting or excusing the past, but about releasing the negative emotions that hold you back and making space for a brighter future together. Remember the spark that initially drew you to each other. It's still there, waiting to be reignited. Surprise each other, create new memories, and nurture the love that brought you together in the first place. So, how to fix a broken relationship? It's a question that has answers. It's a journey that's worth taking. Remember, relationships are like delicate plants. They require care, attention, and nourishment. If you found this video helpful or insightful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with those who might benefit. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more valuable tips on building healthier, happier relationships. Together, we can mend what's broken and make our connections stronger than ever. Thank you for watching.